Welcome back to WebWave Creations. In today's tutorial, we're diving into one of the most essential skills for any web developer: how to import images into your HTML files. Whether you're building a portfolio, a blog, or just experimenting with web design, learning how to properly display images is a crucial step. So, let's get started and bring your websites to life with visuals. Section 1. Importing an image from your device. First, let's start with the basics. Importing an image from your device. This is the image that will show up on the first page or anywhere else on your site. Create an HTML file. Inside this file, we'll use the ing tag to import the image. In this example, replace your -image.jpg with the name of your image file. We also set the width to 200 pixels, so now you can see the logo on your page with the specified size. Section 2. Adding a background image using CSS. Next, we'll learn how to add a background image using CSS. To do this, add the following code inside the style tag or in an external CSS file. Here, the background image property is used to set your background. The background no repeat, makes sure the image doesn't repeat, and background size, cover, will stretch the image to cover the entire background. Section 3. Adding an image from Google using a URL. Now, let's say you want to add an image from Google using a URL. Here's how you can do that. Copy the URL of the image you want to use. Paste it into the SRC attribute of the im-tag. Replace the URL with the actual image link, and it will appear on your page. Section 4. Adding a favicon website icon. Lastly, let's add a favicon, which is the small logo you see on the side of any page, like on YouTube. To do this, add the following line in the head section of your HTML here. You'll replace the URL with the path or URL to your favicon image. This is a great way to give your website a more polished look. Outro. And that's it. Now you know how to import images from your device. Set a background image with CSS, add an image using a URL, and create a favicon. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more web development tips.